Hello friends, welcome back to the Old Charles. Today we are looking at the Hong Kong 20-cent coin from 1978. Many coin collectors are interested in this coin because it represents an important part of Hong Kong's monetary history. If you have this coin in your collection, you may be wondering how much it is worth and whether it could be valuable. The Hong Kong 20-cent 1978 coin was issued during a period when Hong Kong was under British administration. The coin features the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II on one side. This portrait reminds collectors of the historical connection between Hong Kong and the United Kingdom. On the other side you can find the denomination and design elements that make the coin easy to recognize. The coin was produced for everyday circulation and millions of pieces were minted. Because of the large number produced, most circulated examples are not considered rare. However, condition plays a very important role in determining value. Coins that have little wear and retain their original details are usually worth more than heavily circulated examples. A typical circulated Hong Kong 20-cent 1978 coin may be worth only a small amount above its face value. Collectors often pay more for coins that are in excellent condition. Uncirculated examples with strong details and attractive surfaces can command higher prices in the collector market. Another factor that affects value is demand. Hong Kong coins have gained popularity among collectors around the world. As more people become interested in collecting world coins, the demand for older Hong Kong issues continues to grow. This increased interest can help support higher values for well-preserved examples. Some collectors also search for unusual errors or varieties. If a coin has a minting error such as an off-center strike or another unusual feature, it may attract additional attention from collectors. Error coins are often much harder to find than regular circulation pieces. The 1978 Hong Kong 20-cent coin is not usually considered a rare coin, but it remains an interesting piece of history. It reminds us of the economic development of Hong Kong and the era in which it circulated. For many collectors, historical significance is just as important as monetary value. If you own this coin, it is a good idea to examine its condition carefully. Coins with sharp details, clean surfaces and minimal wear are generally more desirable. Proper storage can also help preserve the coin for future years. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed learning about the Hong Kong 20-cent 1978 coin and its value, please like this video, share it with friends and subscribe to the channel for more coin collecting content. Let us know in the comments if you have this coin in your collection and what condition it is in. See you in the next video.